We know that about 5 billion people around the world don't have access to safe, affordable, and timely surgery. A lot of focus in global health has been on kind of the traditional global health things of infectious diseases, maternal and child health, HCV and malaria. This sort of anti-focus, non-focus on surgery does not just have health effects, but also can have effects on the economic development of countries, sort of macroeconomically, as well as on the microeconomic level for individuals and their participation in their communities and in their workforce. There is a connection between impoverishment and access to surgery. And often when we think about that connection, we think about it in one direction, which is that if you're impoverished, then it's hard for you to access a high cost service like surgery. The other direction is kind of twofold. Surgery is high cost. Accessing surgery can at least temporarily drive you into financial catastrophe. Once you sort of had your surgery, depending on what type of surgery you had, once you've had your surgery, you are able to participate more fully within the economic life of the particular country that you're in, which then sort of has the opposite effect. So it's this really complex relationship between what we call sort of the social determinants of disease. Being poor makes it difficult for you to access care, but also the social outcomes of treatment, both initially in terms of the initial financial hit and kind of longer term as well.